Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna kind of make a last call for the event there on 17. If you're want to learn about real estates, right? It's gonna be this Saturday, I believe, the 17th. Just gonna share it again, and also the next shred house is gonna be on July 10, Monday, same place. Where it is, it's here. This one, and there's the trade house. Boom, done. Cool. There we go. There's a trade house, next trade house. July 10, 7 to let's say 9, 6 to 7, gonna have free pizza with Mr. Junior. And you give whatever you want. Good. So 222 in the chat if you took trade today. Yes, the pizza was really good there. So yep. 222, cool. 333 if it was good, 444 if it was bad. Don't text and drive. Just saying. So bad, good, good. Cool. Amazing. So we're gonna make a recap on there we go. Complete that. So DXY. So DXY is still bearish since this level here. And we did have 103 level since since Monday. 103 level, and kind of have a bounce on a bit higher at 103.10, and then push it to the upside, but match this top here and then whoop, dropped. We had the morning news right today was a bad news, I believe. Even, and then this one was a bad news, so dropped. DXY, we had interest rate. So I was kind of less than 10% that we will have a 5% at 5%. So we get below what they predict. So really less than 10% that is possible. And 50% that we stay at the same, that the prediction is good. And 40% of slightly raise of 0.5%, 5.5%. So it did came up equal, same. And before the news, DXY was around this area, and then boom, the news kind of pushed DXY to the upside. But we are still bearish for now. So we kind of see a break and retest here, break and close below. So it's kind of break and retest for DXY. Gold. So to be honest, I thought it was more violent with the CPI and the Fed's funds rate. Yesterday, CPI didn't really move that much. And also today was okay move, was not that violent, in my opinion. Right, so gold. So yesterday. So we did respect this area here. We did close below, right, on the 1 hour, and then push back to 1940, push it up, failed to make that higher, and now we are playing in that area again. 1940. All right. So not much to say on gold and US 30. So we were looking at this zone here, did play out the zone, right? So we did push it a bit higher, close below, and then get back to the top, boom, drop. And then we kind of have that little slightly retest and drop for US 30. So we're looking at this top here for US 30, and for NAS we have potential zone. It's not there yet. So I was looking at this top on a daily perspective, but we have a good slightly zone here at 15,070-ish here, this top here. But ultimately, we can have a reaction at this top if NAS keep pushing to the upside. So today on NAS, this was what, yeah. So it was kind of simple. I just played the top here for NAS. And what I noticed is on the New York session, kind of have like not, it was very choppy. Like if I was looking at GJ, very choppiness, right? So okay, the news might push the price in the direction at 2 p.m. So that's why I was more patient and see more afternoon if I have some setup. So on that here, boom. This was this morning. Okay, cool. So this morning, push it down, make that lower low there. Of course, we have the news, push it to the downside. I was kind of hesitating to take a buy at this area, to be honest. I was like, I think it's gonna play out, but I didn't position myself here, push it up, and I said, okay, cool. I'm gonna look for that top and then push it down like 1,000 pips there. So I was like here, boom, push it. Yep, and then we have that double top here and got me out B. And also when I was looking at the closure of the candle, I was like, damn, it closed with a big rejection. So it's just a sign that we might push it to the upside. So that's why I was like, okay, cool. This is for so JPYX. So JPYX fell to hold this zone here, break, have that retest here. It was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So yesterday I was like, okay, cool. So we have that kind of, I thought it was like, okay, we grab liquidity. Yes, we did grab liquidity. We push it up, and I was like, okay, it's time. It's time to skyrocket, right, for JPYX, and then whoop, drop. So that was for JPYX and didn't hold really that zone also. 97, 95-ish here, but it was not a strong area. Anyway, so now we are playing in that area. So it's a key area for JPYX. GJ. So GJ keep going to the upside. Yep. GU also. Oh, okay, cool. So yeah. GU. So it's not clear for me on the daily perspective. For now, it's not very clear that we break. It's not a clear breakout for me, right? For GU. So like I said, Monday, I believe, if we are able to break and close above, we can potentially see it go back to this level here. So let's see how it's gonna react here, and also with DXY, right? So if the XY tank, of course, GU is gonna go to the upside. And EU, do we have something on EU? That was yesterday. Nice reaction at this top here. Boom. After the news yesterday, CPI. So yeah, good reaction. Boom, drop, and then push back to the upside today. This night, yeah. Boom. Push it to the upside. EuroCAD. So what's up with EuroCAD? Okay, so yeah, I saw it yesterday. It was yesterday, yeah, yesterday. So good reaction at the level here. Kind of touch it, right? And then push it to the downside, and then this area push it up. EuroCAD. Yep. Here's CAD. Do we have something? Nope, don't think so. Damn. Okay. Good reaction at this demand zone here. That's what I can say for USD CAD. Euro GPY. Okay, so we were looking at this top here and this top here. We did our reaction here, and then we'll push to the upside to this level here. But it's still bullish, right? Since JPYX is going bearish, so it makes sense. Nothing, and CAD JPY. So CAD JPY, we were looking at this top here, so we break above and then whoop, sit on that today, just before the news, or at the news, boom, push it to the upside, right? So that's it for the recap. Didn't have anything on BTC, but BTC is tanking. Like, I was like, oh shit, 4 p.m. I saw like it was moving a lot. I was like, fuck, cool. Yeah, this was the next zone for BTC, because this too low here didn't really cover this imbalance here. So I was like, okay, if we fail to make that high at this area here, we can potentially see it cover the imbalance, and that's where we are for BTC. Okay, so what we can see next.